Here we come to the elevator at the Encantada Mall in Tucson, Arizona. It is a Kone Series 220. Chime does not work, but the lantern works. Let's go to cab view. View of the shaft, Kone. It's like that. It's been replaced. Open the door. Let's go up to 2. Out of 1, and the door close button works. Capacity is 3,500 pounds, 88 compliant phone, built to the car station. Call cancel, Series 220 fixtures, installed in 2003. Here we are on 1. It's got the newer indicator, released in 99. And no plastic leveling. There's one last look at that lantern. It's an innovation lantern, custom innovation. And here it goes. And there's the air conditioning that cools down the machine room. And that's going to be it.